Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to bold the text in a WordPress website. As you can see, I'm into my WordPress website admin dashboard, and here in the left side toolbar we are getting an option of post, and when we move the cursor on the post, then there is a sub menu which automatically appears in front of us, and it is having the option of all posts, where you can see the existing posts that are under like publish phase, or like under draft phase, or trash phase, or schedule phase, and you can create a new post by clicking on the add post. And so here I will click on the add post, and here you can mention the title of your blog post, right? So I have written the title as top 10 tourist places in New York City, and in the type to choose a blog, I am going to type the content of this blog post as here in this article. I am going to tell you about the most visited places in New York City by tourists. So you can keep writing the content, and while writing the content, if you want to make any word or phrase as bold, right, you just need to select those words, right? For example, I have selected the New York City word over here in my paragraph content, and when I select any word or phrase, then automatically toolbar appears in the top of it, and it have an option of bold, right? We just need to click on the bold, and as you can see, our word or phrase has been bold, right, in our paragraph content of the blog post, right? This is one method. You can select those words or phrase, and you can simply select the bold option in the top toolbar that automatically appears when you select any words, right? Apart from it, also, like if you want to select the most visited word, right? So I have selected it, and let me tell you the another method. You can simply select those words which you want to mark as bold, right? And after selecting, you can simply press Ctrl plus B in the keyboard, right? Which is the short command of changing any word or phrase into bold, right? So I have simply pressed Ctrl plus B in my keyboard, and as you can see, the word or phrase has been converted into the bold words, right? So this is how you can simply bold in a WordPress website, right? Apart from it, if you want to learn more about this topic, then you can check our video description. I have mentioned my blog link over there. You can simply visit our blog, and you can read articles related to this topic. And apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in the video description, which you can check out and explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from our website. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.